Hi, my name is Alyssa and I work in Ignite Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet using our jewelry making kit. Inside the kit you'll find a book that can give you instructions and ideas on what to make, tools to help you make pieces of jewelry, a guide on what those tools are and what they're used for, a collection of metal findings that help you connect pieces together. You'll find some elastic, some wire, and some needles to make different kinds of jewelry. And then an assortment of beads. Today we're going to be making this bracelet, this kind of bracelet, using a few of the materials from the kit. You can use your tray that's inside the kit to put things onto so that things don't roll around on the table. So we're going to be using these beads, this finding they're called eye pins. And they have, one end is a loop, has a loop at the end, and the other end is straight. And then we're going to also use a lobster claw to connect the bracelet so you can put it on and wear it and it won't fall off. And then also round nose pliers so that we can shape the eye pins. So to begin, we're going to take an eye pin and string a bead onto the eye pin. All right, so you string the bead on, and then you're going to string another eye pin onto the end of it. And you're going to take your round nose pliers and bend the straight end of the eye pin so that it almost closes, and make sure the second eye pin is inside of the loop that you're making. And then close it all the way using the pliers. Now you have one closed eye pin and another open, and you're going to take the open one and put another bead onto it. You take another eye pin, close this one almost, make sure the second eye pin is in, and finish the loop. And you're going to continue doing that until your bracelet is long enough to go around your wrist. So you'll keep measuring it as you go. I'm just going to keep going. Okay, so we've gotten to the last bead. The bracelet is big enough for my wrist now. So once you put the last bead on, instead of putting an eye pin at the end to continue making it, you're going to take the lobster claw and put that on the end instead. But you're going to do the same method you've been doing by twisting the straight end of the eye pin closed. You're just going to do it over the lobster claw this time instead of over another eye pin. All right. Now your bracelet is finished. Thanks for joining us. Come into Ignite and check out this kit. There are a few different jewelry kits with different books inside of them, so there's lots of different ideas and things to make here. Thanks.